Is it possible to regain a neck curve and correct your forward head posture if it's been caused by trauma? Absolutely. Take a look at this student of mine. Now, she had youth on her side. She was only 25 when she presented with chronic headaches and forward head posture. And when I took her medical history, it turns out she had had a car accident several years previously, but didn't think it was important because she walked away and only had minor whiplash, which got better quickly. As soon as I heard car accident over 20 miles an hour, we had x-rays taken, and this is what it looked like on the left. The image on the left is before we began working together. Now, because she had no arthritis, no worn discs, and she was really motivated to do her home exercise and traction, I guessed that she could probably correct her forward head posture within about 6 months. 6 months later, we re-x-rayed, and I think you could see on the right here how much progress she made. Amazing, amazing results. She was thrilled, and so was I. So you can see over here on the left, massive kink. So she should have a lordosis on the red line here, but she has a kyphosis, really dramatic, and her head sitting way forward. And over time, if she came in to see me when she was, say, 40 or 50, absolutely, I know those discs between 4 and 5 and 5 and 6 would probably be very worn and full of arthritis. And here she is just 6 months later. Look at that lovely curve. Is it perfect? No, there's still some straightening in here, so we can still do more work together, but pretty darn amazing. So what about prevention? How long will this correction on the left last for her? Well, guess what? Once you regain your ideal neck curve, this correction lasts forever, unless you have another trauma, another car accident. But even then, not all traumas cause flat or reverse neck curves. And if your forward head posture is due to the first cause, habits of daily living, or the second cause, slouch back or sway back posture, and you stop doing some kind of daily posture routine, your habits of daily living will likely result in poor posture again. It's just the way it works. So prevention is all about creating a daily posture habit for life, and one you can certainly learn to love like I do. Take a look at the next lecture when we talk about those poor muscles underneath the base of your skull that are really suffering in forward head posture.